Welcome back to Roadsteading. Today we are going to be installing this new Borgensen upper steering shaft in our Silverado Classic, and we will be reviewing the AutoZone steering shaft that we installed 8 months ago. Yes, that's right, we only got about 8 months of life out of the AutoZone upper steering shaft. Now, at the time we installed this steering shaft, we were under the gun and we were low on funds. This met what we needed at the time to get to North Dakota from Kansas. So we did it. We didn't have time for shipping. We didn't have the couple $100 at the time for this shaft, so this did the job. Now, over the past few weeks, or past month now, we have been going through the front end of our truck, upgrading the tie rod ends, the idler arm, the pitman arm, and slowly working through those pieces to get the truck running good. I've been having a lot of steering problems, and we all know the issues with these IFS front ends or any front end on a 20-year-old vehicle. Now, the Borgensen, yeah, it is a lot beefier. It is a lot heavier. The U-joint is better. The inside is solid versus not solid on the AutoZone. Again, this worked for our budget at the time. I got 8 months of life out of it. I don't think I would have noticed how loose this was until we started tightening up the front end. And we had been saving up to rebuild all of the suspension on our Silverado Classic this winter. A few things came up, life, and we got an opportunity. So we needed to put some funds towards that. So we're under the gun to get the truck running good. I got to do it on a budget now. I can't do everything. I also have a few more issues with the truck that I got to take care of. And we are now strategically planning out repairs and upgrades on the truck as we travel the next year. We've been full-time RVing for 9 years now. We thought we were getting off the road. We're going to continue on the road. And thank you for listening to me ramble. I want to say I got 8 months out of the AutoZone one. Again, I don't think I would have noticed it unless if we didn't put all those new front end parts on. But the steering was really bad. I can't wait to get this installed and go down the road, and I really hope this is the part because I'm not a master mechanic. I'm a do-it-yourselfer, and we are doing this on the road. The moment of truth. Ready?
I'm ready.
You think it fixed the problem?
I hope it did. Oh my god.
That's a live reaction. This is not acting, guys.
It doesn't move.
Right. Remember how much it had before?
Yeah, it made a little clunk. It wiggled.
Why didn't we take a video of before?
I don't know. Wow. What
Should we put the other? We should put the old one back in and then take a video. It's too
No.
much work. It's too much work.
That's too much work. Wow.
I kind of want
Are
to.
you excited to drive it?
Yeah, we're going to Grandma's house right now, so we'll drive it shortly.
Dang.
I'm sorry, we did not get a before video, but I can tell you we were always kind of guessing to the left. Yeah, like move it to the left. It would go. It would move, right? It would like.
Yeah, there was a lot of play in it, and now I can wiggle it, but there's tension on it. There wasn't tension before. It would move and then it would hit like a point when then it would finally have some tension on it.
Yeah. All right, you gonna learn how to drive the trailer this year?
Yeah.
Okay.